We lost the war. Good. It's time to rebuild. Just got out of a consumer proposal? Your credit took a hit, but you're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. Step 1. Get a secured credit card. Capital One is a solid choice. Deposit a few $100 and they'll report your payments to the credit bureau. Keep your balance under 30% and pay on time. That's the golden rule for rebuilding. Next, try an RRSP loan. Not only does it build credit, it gets you a tax refund too. Enroll in a credit-building loan. You pay a small amount monthly, they report your good habits, and you get the savings later. Taking a small student loan from the government also boosts your credit mix. Just be responsible with it. Remember, rebuilding takes time, but done right, your credit comeback will be legendary. Remember, start budgeting smart today. Protect your credit and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.